Welcome the our channel. Today we how to transfer workflows from Airtable to Zapier with automations, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Airtable account. Navigate to the base that contains the workflow you want to transfer. Identify the specific tables and fields that are integral to your workflow. Next, open a new tab and log into your Zapier account. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button at the top right corner of your dashboard. You will start by selecting Airtable as your trigger app. Choose the trigger event that fits your needs, such as new record or updated record. Connect your Airtable account by following the prompts to authorize Zapier. Select the appropriate base and table you identified earlier. Set up any necessary filters to refine which records will trigger the Zap. After configuring your trigger, click on Test Trigger to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Once the trigger is confirmed, proceed. Now, configure the action by selecting the target base and table. Map the fields from your Airtable trigger to the fields in your target application. Once you've completed the mapping, you can click on Test Action to verify everything is set up properly. If the test is successful, click Turn on Zap to activate your automation. Return to Airtable to verify that your data is flowing correctly into the target application. Continue to monitor the Zap for any issues or updates required in the future. Consider setting up additional Zaps for other workflows to streamline processes even further. Document your automations for future reference or team training purposes. Regularly update your workflows as your project needs change. This process allows you to efficiently transfer workflows from Airtable to Zapier with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.